Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Preeti and today we are going to learn the word with sound of vowel I. Join the letters to make words with the sound of I. I-N, in. I-F, if. I-T, it. D-I-D, did. I-S, is. H-I-M, him. N-I-B, nib. F-I-G, fig. Z-I-P, zip. S-I-T, sit. D-I-G, dig. K-I-D, kid. L-I-P, lip. B-I-N, bin. W-I-G, wig. H-I-L-L, hill. Phonic drill vowel I. Let us read aloud words with I sound. अब हम कौन से words पढ़ेंगे? I sound वाले words. Is, it, if, in. Pie, lie, tie. Lip, wig, sim, dim. It. Now we will read the words that ends with the id sound. अब हम कौन से words पढ़ेंगे जिसके end में id sound आता है? Mid, hid, kid, lid, did. Egg. Now we'll read the words that ends with the ig sound. Wig, dig, rig, jig, big. अब हम कौन से words पढ़ेंगे जिसके end में ip sound आए? Sip, lip, nip, tip, hip, dip. It. Now we'll read the words that ends with the it sound. Sit, kit, fit, bit, lit, hit. I. Now we'll read the words that ends with the I sound. Pie, tie, lie, die. Now we'll read the words that ends with the ill sound, जिसके पीछे ill sound आए. Ill, pill, hill, till. M. Now we'll read the words that ends with the im sound, जिसके पीछे im sound आए. Dim, him, rim, sim. Short and long. Words with short I. अब हम ऐसे वर्ड्स पढ़ेंगे जिसमें आई का साउंड शॉर्ट हो, छोटा हो. निब, बिब, रिब, पिन, बिन, टिन, सिक्स, फिक्स, मिक्स, फिल, निल, टिल. आपने देखा इसमें आई का साउंड बहुत ही छोटा सा साउंड आया है. नाउ वर्ड्स विद लॉन्ग आई साउंड. अब ऐसे वर्ड्स जिसमें आई का साउंड बहुत लंबा आएगा. बाइट, माइट, साइट, हाइड, राइड, wide, five, hive. Sight words. Is, it, if, in. This, will, with, did, give. Vowels AI give a long sound of A. Vowels IE give a long sound of I. मतलब अगर AI vowel आता है तो वो एक A की साउंड होती है. अगर IE वॉवल्स का यूज होता है तो वो I की लॉन्ग साउंड होती है. Vowels with I sound. Study words with I sound. Now we'll read the words that ends with the in sound. ऐसे words जिसके पीछे in sound आए. Bin, pen, tin, fin. Now we'll read the words that ends with the it sound. Hit, sit, pit, fit. Now we'll read the words that ends with the ill sound. Bill, hill, pill, fill. Ice. Now we'll read the word that ends with the I sound. Dice, ice, rice, mice. Reading with vowel I. A pie, a tin, a tie, a zip. A pig, a fig, a sip, a nip. I have a big fig. I take a sip. I bit my lip. Sim digs a pit. Big ball. I have a big dog. My dog has a big ball. He likes his big ball. The big ball is pink. Read vowels A, E and I together. I eat a pie. अब हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? A, E और I को साथ में पढ़ रहे हैं. Lib has a zip. The pig is fat. The fat cat digs a well. The red ball is big. The lad eats an egg. The hall has a big bell. Pam sits on the red bed. Skill sheet vowel I. Write word with short I and long I vowel sound and speak them aloud. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें ऐसे वर्ड्स देखने हैं जिसमें I का साउंड शॉर्ट भी आए और लॉन्ग भी आए. लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. दिस इज अ bin. Fish has fin. This is a eyes. I ate a fig. I play with dice. I eat rice. Skill sheet vowel I. Look at the pictures and write the words. अब हमें क्या करना है, पिक्चर देखनी है और वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. Fig, lip, tin, nib, kid, wig. Very good. Skill sheet vowel I. Unscramble and write. Words को unscramble कीजिए और given space में लिखिए. Lid, zip, pin, wig, bib, sit, hill, sip. Very good. So kids, I hope that you have understood and enjoyed what we have done in the class today, and you will practice it more and more to become perfect.